Hello everyone, I just wanted to share this quick video with you of a case that I purchased for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I pre-ordered the 15 Pro Max through my carrier actually because they were the only ones that were actually working and I could get it on time. So it's expected to arrive next Friday. We'll see if I get any updates. But this is a Torras case. It's the one with MagSafe. So I kind of, I use this as kind of a go-to case, except for the Z Fold 5. As you know, I did make a video on the Z Fold 5 case by Torras, and the price was just way too egregious at $90. This is how it came from Amazon, so I did not actually open it already. It was in a package and it just got smooshed, and this is how Amazon rolls quite often. But I just wanted to kind of check it out. It's again for the 15 Pro Max, and it's pretty much like the typical Torras cases that you have. It's kind of the frosted back, or at least so it said. I got it in black. I ordered space black for my color. I was tempted by the blue, but I ultimately went with space black. And here it is. It just the quality is very similar to the 15 Pro, to the the other Torras cases that I've purchased in the past. It's got the rubbery sides, frosted. It's got the MagSafe. So I don't have this, obviously don't have a 15 Pro, but I'm going to go ahead and slap it on the 14 Plus just for a size comparison. And what I noticed is that whereas I can put my 13 Pro cases on the 14 Plus and they work pretty well, this actually does not fit. So it fits kind of on the top, but it's too narrow. The case is too narrow for the, so they made the iPhone 15 Pro Max narrow, more narrow than the 14 Plus here. So I can't get it on all the way. So it doesn't. So again, my 13 Pro Max, which I could fit the 12, I could fit the 13 Pro Max case on this 14 Plus, no problem. And I was actually using it when I didn't have a case for this for a little bit. It was no problem to fit on the 14 Plus, but this 15 Pro Max case does not fit on it. So it's a little more narrow, and it does feel a little shorter, although I can kind of get it one corner. So I don't know if it's entirely shorter, although it does feel a little stretched right here. So yeah, it doesn't really fit. So I wanted to kind of test out the MagSafe, but I don't have, obviously I don't have the case. So I'll go ahead and just pop this one here just to kind of see. Yep, and it fits nicely. So this is a really old, gross Apple wallet that I have that I don't really hardly use because it didn't patina very well. Yeah, I'm actually going to do a review on this because, just as a warning. But it sticks really well. I have another one here, and there's another one. That's not going anywhere. So the MagSafe fits really well. This is an empty wallet, ESR case. Sorry for all that, moving around there. So it actually fits really well. Pops on the back of my Plus. Whoops, sorry about that. Back of my Plus pretty well. I'll also put on the MagSafe pop grip that I had. That also fits really well. Really tight grip. So I imagine it'll be even tighter once I get the phone as well. But anyway, just wanted to kind of show you this Torras case. It's a Torras case with MagSafe and I got it in space black. This is the black color. It's Torras MagSafe for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. There it is right there. So yeah, so I just wanted to kind of share that with you real quick. I think the quality is pretty much typical of Torras quality. What I like about the Torras cases is the housing here for the portion of the camera. It actually raises up quite a bit. You can see that. And also it doesn't bend. Unlike a lot of the other cases that actually bend, you can squish them down really easily. This one is really rigid. So that's kind of a difference between this one and like the cheaper versions of many of these cases. Okay, so I think this is a go. I think it was $29, $30 with a little coupon on Amazon. $29.99 for this with MagSafe. As nice as it looks, as sleek as it is, as much protection as it provides, the way that it feels in the hand. I would say that, and I would say that it's worth it because the Apple cases are super expensive. The silicons are $50. I think the new woven thing is like $80, interwoven, whatever they're calling it. I'm not going to buy that. So this is the one to go with. I think a good one to go with if you want MagSafe. I think it's a good deal for $30. It's solid. I mean, it is what it is. Okay. Well, that's all for now. I think I'll go ahead and get a few more cases in likely, but this is usually is kind of my go-to ever since the MagSafe came out, because the grip is so tight on the MagSafe here and doesn't I feel really confident with it. So yeah, so this is for it's again Torras for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. When I get the phone in, obviously I'll unbox it, check it out with y'all, and hopefully it'll arrive when it's supposed to on the 22nd. Okay, well, that's all for now. I hope you're well. I hope your family's well, and take care of yourself.